For the disposal of waste refrigerators, our company can provide a complete set of recycling solutions. It is mainly a combination of manual assisted dismantling and mechanical crushing and separation. Firstly, the waste refrigerator is manually dismantled to obtain plastics, wires, glass, circuit boards, etc., and then the refrigerant is recovered to ensure that the recovered refrigerant will not pollute the atmosphere, and then the compressor, condenser, etc. are dismantled. After manual dismantling, the refrigerator is crushed and separated in multiple stages. The crushed materials are separated by wind separation to separate plastic and polyurethane foam, and then magnetic separation is used to separate metal iron. Finally, eddy current separation is carried out to separate copper, aluminum and plastic. The crushing and separation device is sealed with a closed enclosure, and the waste gas and dust generated during the processing process are absorbed by a high-pressure fan, and then discharged through the exhaust pipe after bag dust removal. If the waste refrigerators you collected from the scrap yard has been manually disassembled to remove the compressor, wires, circuit boards and refrigerant, then it is only need to directly crush and sort waste refrigerators. The separated materials such as iron, copper, aluminum, plastic and polyurethane foam can be directly reused for further recycling. If you are interested in recycling refrigerators, please contact us.